So today I'm giving you a simple ThinkorSwim tutorial designed to help absolute US beginners to start trading with confidence. Before I walk you through the step, I want to show you something most beginners never discover. There's a tiny feature inside ThinkorSwim that instantly makes the platform less overwhelming. And I'll show you exactly where that setting is in just a moment. But first, ThinkorSwim can look intimidating. When you open it for the first time, charts everywhere and buttons blinking. So let's break it down the easy way. First, go to ThinkorSwim website. On the main screen, you'll see tabs like Trade, Charts, and Scan. If you want to buy or sell stocks, click on Trade, then type the stock symbol into the search bar. Next, if you want to study charts, click on the Charts tab. From here, you can add indicators, draw lines, and customize your chart view. You can also set up alerts by clicking the Market Watch tab. And if you want to practice trading without any risk, go to On Demand and simulate trades using previous market data. Now, let's go back to the transformation moments I promised. When you first launch the ThinkorSwim platform, the home screen gives you access to everything: charts, watch lists, orders, and your account info. But here's the transformation moment. If your charts look cluttered or confusing, there's one panel you can switch off that makes the whole platform cleaner immediately. I'll show you that right after we cover the core tools you'll actually use. For beginners, you really only need 3 areas to start trading safely: the Charts tab, Trade tab, and the Monitor tab. On the Charts tab, you can zoom in, draw tools, spot entry points, but here's the trick. There's a built-in layout that automatically removes unnecessary indicators and keeps only the basics. Most beginners don't know this exists, and it makes chart reading 10 times easier. I'll reveal that preset in a moment. Next, the Trade tab is where you place your actual buy and sell orders. You don't need advanced order types yet. A simple limit order is enough to begin. And if placing your first order feels scary, ThinkorSwim has something that helps. You can practice everything in paper money mode without risking a single dollar. Alright, now here it is. That hitting setting I mentioned earlier. If the platform feels overwhelming, go to the top right gear icon, uncheck Show Left Sidebar. Instantly, your layout becomes clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. And for the chart preset I promised, click Studies, then Load Study Set, then click on Basic Studies. This removes all the clutter and gives you a clean chart you can actually read. And that's it. That's my beginner-friendly walkthrough of ThinkorSwim. If you want a part 2 on order types, options trading, or full chart setups, just let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.